Just speak to us in signs. I don't understand a single word you're saying.
Video
Can
pala,
we
ano?
play
Now we set these up like a TV. We pick the
Hello everyone, Elite Cameraman here. Today I'll be talking about when episode 60 might be released and what might happen in the new upcoming episode. As you know, episode 59 was released almost 2 to 3 weeks ago, and we've been getting compilation videos every day after this episode. Normally, the book only uploads a season compilation after a season ends, but this time he decided to upload a full compilation of episodes from 39 to 59, which is season 13 to 19. This might mean a couple of things, unless we are looking too deep, that is. Anyways, before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe, and if you don't want to miss the upcoming videos, Dafook uploading this long compilation might suggest that a full arc is over with episode 59, and is beginning to a new arc will begin.
Ano ba yung si tinawag mo ko? Nakakampi ko siya. Hindi naman.
Ano? Hello? Hindi, ikaw yung magbubuhat, ikaw yung GM dito eh.
Mag-kidnap mo ba? Ay! Wow, ang galing naman. Ang galing naman yan. Wow. Wow, ang galing-galing naman.
Kasi para sa ano. Tatago kasi ng mga kalaban. Takot eh. Patay. Nagpakita pa. Ano, wala na akong makita kalaban. Lahat nagtatago.
Isa pa. Oh, yung dami. Uy.
Ano pa ako? Ano, tatago. Uy, ha? Wow.
Ang galing-galing naman. Isa pa. Samahan mo.
360 love. Ano ba to? Dito pa ako nilabas. Ay, anong bola? Kailangan panalo to. What you doing, my friend? Bulaga. Ikaw din. Triple kill. 4 kill. Oh. 23 seconds. Bang! Let's go! Peace out. We the best. Victory!
Wala, mas maano pa rin yung ano.
Gusto mo ako pa rin?
Sige.
Ano? Sige.
Ikaw. Dapat mabit mo yung last mo.
Sige. No!
Ako? Ako naman.
Wala pa, di pa nag-restart man eh. Ang lag kasi, restart kami. Mag-watch ka mo, no? Magaling mag-watch ka, pro player ako. Nakapanga 3 win na tayo. Kaya sa akin.
Ano pa na?
Jay.
Bye-bye.
Cellphone ko pala.
Bye-bye.